We are in the midst of a technological revolution. During the next few years, we might have machines that could build themselves, or we might even have virtual reality headsets that would replace televisions. Well, there are several companies that create innovative gadgets for everyday consumers. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about 10 futuristic gadgets. However, before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. Number 1. Smart Mattress. We spend about 1/3 of our lives in our beds, thus the mattress's quality is critical to our comfort and quality of sleep. The 8 Smart Mattress is the smartest mattress on the market right now. It's a 10-inch thick mattress with 4 layers of foam to provide the optimum support for your entire body while sleeping. It also features a built-in technological cover and a tiny gadget that can track you and your partner's sleep patterns. The cover can be programmed to set different temperatures for each side of the bed, and the alarm uses gentle vibrations to wake you up without making a sound. Number 2. Robot Mop. iRobot has come up with yet another brilliant invention. Mopping may be as intimidating as vacuuming, but the Braava Jet's ability to wash your floors is a game changer. This stunning machine features a jet spray that sprays water and detergent, vibrating cleaning heads that remove even the most difficult filth from grout, and a variety of sensors that allow you to mop without hurting your walls or furniture. Number 3. Indoor Air Purifier. Not many people realize it, but interior air is far more contaminated than outdoor air. The hazard comes from the stagnation of the air and the collection of dust. In a heartbeat, AirMega can assist in resolving that issue. The gadget collects 99.97% of airborne particles such as dander, dust, pollen, and other allergies. It also has a sensor that monitors the air quality in the home and takes rapid action if anything is out of the ordinary. The AirMega Indoor Air Purifier may be managed through an app on your phone or left in smart mode, allowing it to determine how to adjust the fan speed on its own. Number 4. Pet Camera. If you want to remain in touch with your pet while you're away from home, this complete 1080p HD camera will provide you with a clear view of your dog at all times, day and night. You'll be able to keep an eye on your pedigree no matter what with a 160-degree wide-angle lens, 4x zoom, and an infrared night vision mode. There are a lot of useful features, such as a barking alarm that will send a push message to your phone if your dog is distressed, and a two-way chat system that will allow you to communicate with your pet if you need to console or calm them down. You can also store over 100 goodies in the gadget and toss them to your pet remotely to keep them amused with the delectable game of catch. Number 5. Unfolding TV. Are you looking for a huge TV and still want to save some space? The floor opens at the click of a button, and within seconds, a sleek column of machined aluminum rises silently from the ground, unfolding an amazing 165-inch screen and settling down gracefully to give you an astonishing entertainment experience. The technique of impressing without making an apparent effort is known as an understatement. The CC'd M1 epitomizes elegance. The CC'd M1 challenges every existing boundary with its philosophy, design, engineering, and of course, technology. Prepare for a never-before-seen TV experience. The newest 4K micro-LED technology produces wonderfully brilliant colors and a genuinely astounding resolution, well above the capabilities of CLD and OLED. Because of a particular screen surface treatment, the all-important black is deeper and more accurate than ever before. Onboard audio complements the amazing images with an aural experience. The CC'd M1 165-inch hits the stage, and luxury television is permanently changed. Number 6. Touchless Doorbell. One of the most effective methods of evading COVID-19 is social separation, but we can't avoid making emergency trips to certain people's houses. When we got in front of a home, the first thing we did was look for the doorbell or calling bell button, and last, push the button. However, in this particular case, the doorbell button has the potential to propagate the infection. When an infected person presses the button, the virus attaches to it, and when a non-infected person touches it, the infection spreads to that person. By employing the touchless doorbell, we may prevent this threat. The current doorbell can be converted into a touchless doorbell. When we place our hand in front of the IR sensor, the sensor sends a signal to the Arduino board, and Arduino is in charge of the relay. The relay is linked to the doorbell. Finally, the bell will sound. Number 7. Air charging. Xiaomi, a Chinese smartphone and electronics manufacturer, unveiled its Mi Air Charge wireless charger this week. The Mi Air Charge wireless charger will charge smartphones or accessories wirelessly, eliminating the need for customers to connect their devices to a cable or place them on a wireless charging station in order to charge wirelessly. The Mi Air Charge enables over-the-air charging by beam-forming millimeter waves, which are converted into electrical energy by a rectifier circuit in a smartphone or receiving device equipped with a receiving antenna array. Currently, the Mi Air Charge can only transfer 5 watts of power to a single device across a few meters of distance, but Xiaomi believes this will change over time. Number 8. Smart Glasses. Vuzix, wearable technology and augmented reality firm, has launched its newest smart glasses, which are by far the most sophisticated looking smart glasses we've seen so far. not in person. The latest pair, which Vuzix unveiled at the CES 2021, does not yet have a name, but it features a micro LED display on both sides of the smart glasses. Vuzix's waveguide technology and display engine optics were also employed to map the picture onto the inside of the glasses. The Vuzix Smart AR glasses can display stereoscopic monochrome or color images onto both lenses, and pixel densities and resolutions vary based on software needs. Number 9. Wingsuit. Everyone wants to know what it's like to fly, and the BMW electrified Wingsuit lets them. This prototype product allows you to fly through the skies at 186 miles per hour with no limits while being compact and light. The electric wingsuit employs BMW technology and a shoulder rig for power to do this. It provides 15 kilowatts of grunt with 2 carbon impellers. These impellers spin at 25,000 RPM and provide a push for up to 5 minutes. Number 10. Virtual Treadmill. The virtual treadmill is powered by a concave disc and customized shoes with low friction surfaces. Because of the concave form of the disc, gravity is employed to draw the feet towards the center, making the player's stride more natural. A sensor pod is located on the top of each shoe. These track the location of the shoe and replicate it in the game. The virtual platform allows you to sit, step, leap, and run in 360 degrees. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts and valuable feedback with us in the comment section below.